Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? I'm fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sakib. My full name Sheikh Manuddin Sakib, but family, relative, friends call me Sakib. So you call me Sakib. Okay. So I'm gonna talking about today weather, today day topic. All. This day weather is very wonderful, very beautiful. This weather is rainy day. Rain day is very wonderful. Our village is rain. Well, to be honest, rain day is very wonderful and mind precious day. This weather is very cool. This weather is very fantastic for me. Just not only for me, all people they are very fantastic. This day, this weather day. Weather day is very wonderful moment. All as well as very nice. Such a beautiful weather day in rain day in this day. Oh yeah, this day is very enjoyable, very fine moment. This day very honorable. Well, 3:30 p.m. and rain day, very nice. Okay, that's why. So thank you guys.